Hi guys, welcome to the Pump Room. My name is Ali. It is Friday, and what do we do on Fridays? We do the review. So that's basically talking about canned cocktails, but we're also talking about things that you can make at home as well. So today we are talking about Skittle Vodka. Woo! Skittle Vodka.
Oh yeah.
So Skittle Vodka, I was first introduced to this back at university. That went really well for me, didn't it? Great. I am a disappointment. Anyway, so basically it's the mixture of vodka and Skittles. Brief history about the Skittle Vodka. There isn't one, really. That's the history, done. Woo! So Skittle Vodka is basically the infusion of vodka. What a lot of people do with vodka is that they'll add things to it. So they'll use like a very plain, very boring vodka. You might even use Absolute if you really want to as well, but you could use Glen, Square, really doesn't matter. Add things to it, let it sort of sit there for a while. It depends on what you're using. If you're gonna be using citrus, if you're gonna be using something which is dry, like cinnamon, it really depends on what it is. There's so many Googles on there about how to do it. So what this is just adding Skittles to vodka. Now there's three different ways in which you can do this. You can either dish out this between different shots, add your packet of Skittles, leave it there, and that's that done. But again, you're not gonna get the full flavor of it. Another way of doing it is getting a couple bottles of vodka, add your Skittles to it, grab about 3 or 4 packs of it, divvy it out, put it in the bottles, let it sit there in your cupboard or wherever, and just after a few days, you just agitate it. Maybe after a week, you've got like a perfect, gorgeous Skittle Vodka. The other way of doing it, which is a really weird way of doing it, is again, getting a couple of bottle of vodkas. So there's 5 different flavors of Skittles. Divvy out the Skittles, put one particular color in each bottle, put it in the dishwasher. It sounds really strange. You put it in the dishwasher, put it on, let it go through the cycle, agitate it in between the cycle if you can. If you can do that, absolutely fine. After you've done that, you then put it in the freezer. Okay, put it in the freezer. It sounds weird, put it in the freezer. And then because vodka doesn't freeze, it will become a thicker syrup, and then you fine strain it out. So what Cress has done lovely for me is that she's made some Skittle Vodka for me, because I've not done it myself, because I'm a lazy motherfucker. I am. Yes, I am. So she basically just added the vodka and the Skittles to each cup, agitated it every couple of hours, and then at the end of like about 3 days, you're then using coffee filters to then fine strain into your glass. So we've got 5 different flavors. We've got orange, strawberry, blackcurrant, lemon, and lime. Lovely. Yay. And you really kind of want them to come out in this color as well. So it's a lovely, beautiful color of your Skittle Vodka. The longer you leave it, the more color you're going to get out of it. But it's also down to the fine straining as well. If you can fine strain it out, because with the Skittles, you have this waxy sort of seal on it. You get the bits on there as well. You don't want that. You want it to be as smooth as possible, because it's just not nice having bits in your mouth. No one wants that. It's disgusting. And you know, if you handed me a drink with bits in it, I probably would be a little bit sick in my mouth. So first things first, let's give this a try. Bye, gay bottle. So we've got orange, strawberry, lime, lemon, blackcurrant. Interesting fact, there used to be grape in the flavors instead of blackcurrant. I don't know how I feel about that. My hat's not relevant to this at all. Let's do a bit of wine tastings, shall we? Put this down for now and get my hair out. So we're going to start with the blackcurrant. Why am I talking in this voice? We're going to start with the blackcurrant. Ooh, I get nice aromas of vodka and sugar and blackcurrant, and because it's blackcurrant. Lovely. Gotta swirl it. It tastes like throat lozenges. It just...
Got salad bone.
It's smooth and refined. Delicious. It leaves a lovely note on the tongue. Ooh, the second go was just as bad as the first. Lemon. Cheers. A nice smell of disinfectant alcohol wipes, and you need some more lemon please. Fucking hell. The lime, beautiful bouquet of flavors. It's absolutely delish. Just like my bum. Strawberry now. Oh, tastes like strawberries. My throat's kind of burning in the back now from drinking this. So much sugar. There's so much sugar in these. Orange now, saving hopefully the best will last. I really don't want to do this anymore. Orange doesn't taste too bad, but I think most of my taste buds have pretty much gone away after drinking all these. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. So there's your tastings. There's your tastings. Great. Pause the camera. Get rid of you, hey. So, quick little history on Skittles. Skittles were invented back in 1974 in the UK, at the same time Neil Armstrong walked on the moon. That was completely false. The UK invented Skittles. How cool is that? And it was first introduced into the US in 1979. We got a whole 5 years before the US get their grubby mitts on it. You might have heard the most famous saying, "Taste the rainbow," which is an iconic slogan used by Skittles back in 1994. Pretty Interesting stuff we're talking about here. And then in 2009, Skittles became vegan, so it was a lot cooler than most of us, you know. 2009, becoming vegan, that was pretty cool. Still pretty boring. Pretty boring stuff. Are you vegan, Chris? No. No, I'm not. No, we're not vegan. Vegan is the new cool. Enough about the history of Skittles, because that was boring as f***. Now we're gonna make a drink. So I'm gonna use one of the flavors that I like the most. It's gonna be the strawberry. I love strawberry. So we're gonna make a strawberry-based Skittle Sours. Sounds weird, I know. Get my boobs in. Cool guys, so we're gonna make a strawberry-based sours with Skittle Vodka. It's gonna be an interesting one, see how it goes. So we're gonna grab a tin and a glass. We're gonna chill our little gorgeous glass first. So I'm gonna start with my lemon juice. We're gonna use half a lemon, so it's gonna be roughly about 25 mils. Squeeze in that lemon there. Get your muscles out, love. Ish. We got lemon juice in there. So normally you'd use sugar syrup for this, but because the Skittle Vodka is so sweet, we're just gonna ignore that. Get your egg, and we're gonna do an egg white. What I like to do is just balance it between the shells. Whoa, it's a very fragile egg. I need a bin. Oh my God, egg on the floor. Egg on the floor, clean up on aisle me, bitch. Anyway, moving on. Got egg white. We're gonna pop that in there. Woo! Nice and clear. We're gonna get in our strawberry Skittle Vodka. It's 50 mils, so 2 shots. I've got 1 shot. Whoop, I lost my jigger. Let's do another one. Oh, shaky hands. Oh, just enough, love. Just enough. 2 in there. So better not f up this drink, because if not, we're gonna do an orange-based one. Got everything in there. Let's get some ice in. Give it a good old shake. What I'm gonna do is actually, I'm gonna do a slight dry shake, so using a couple of cubes, and then add some more ice afterwards. You wanna try and agitate that egg white. That's gonna be absolutely banging. So just a couple of cubes. Got the egg white agitated there. Gonna add a little bit more ice. I'm just gonna strain out any water that's been left in this. Put a couple more ice cubes in there as well. And what we're gonna do is just gonna fine strain, just in case there's any like shells or anything in there. Wow, look at that color. Takes a little while for that egg white to come out. And then I like to put a little bit of dash of bitters on there. But first I'm gonna get in a nice lemon peel in there. I'm really gonna just make this quite sassy. Get in there, bitch. Get a fresh strawberry because you're on that health kick, aren't you? Gotta make them girls look like, you know, I don't know, I'm making up words now. Little strawberries. Want an umbrella as well. Yep. Little umbrella. Didn't see that. And a dash of bitters. Just on the top there. So that is your Skittle-based strawberry sours. It looks pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's actually really good. That's really refreshing. Sharpness of the vodka goes. You still get that strawberry coming through. You've got that lemon, of course. It's just like no sugar in there, except for, you know, from the Skittle Vodka, but that's banging, like. You can do it without the egg white, absolutely fine. Don't need to do that if you want to go pure vegan on it. Honestly, try making Skittle Vodka at home. You could even use like other sweets as well. So you could use like drumsticks, refreshers. You know, there's so many like classic like British sweets you could use. It'd be like awesome. Definitely gonna try out doing some more. And if you might not have noticed already, I've got these little pins. We've got PayPal set up. You can grab a little pin for $5.99. We'll send it out to you. We'll send it out to you. We're going to be at Cocktails in the City in London. We're going to be there on the 12th of September with Jägermeister, representing the Pump Room, and we've got awesome cocktails set up. Honestly, I cannot wait to show you. It's going to be so cool. Cress will be here on Monday. Cress will be here on Wednesday as well. She gets 2 shows. I only get the 1 because I don't know. My views are a lot better than hers. You know, just saying. Like, slag. She's a slag. This is nice. This is lovely. This is. Oh, am I a best? Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm sorry. Go like and subscribe.